want to change the logo on the stereo on the command unit on a Mercedes C-Class or CLK or S-Class. What you need to do is press the numbers 5, 3, 7 and hold them. You gotta press 5 first and then press 3 and 7. So 5, 3 and 7. You'll see this menu. You probably have that one selected. Go up and down with the arrows here. Come down to AMG 211. Make sure you pick a 211 or otherwise you might not see anything on your screen if you pick the wrong one. Hit OK, go back and turn it off. And you might have to actually just completely get out of the car, lock it, and let the whole stereo unit, they have to go, actually goes to sleep after about 30 seconds to 1 minute after you lock the car. And then come back in the car. When you come back, you'll see the new logo. I had this already selected. If you try right away, you might still see the old logo. So make sure you lock the car, let it sit for 5 minutes, and come and check back again.